Hello friends, welcome back to freeopportunities.com. I guess it's been a while. I haven't shared any educational video with you guys. So since then, I've been busy with some tasks, but then I took some time to make an educational video for you guys. I hope you guys will stay with us till the end of the video. This video is about the postgraduate scholarships in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. Most of you guys know Bishkek is one of the finest cities in the Central Asia, and this courses in OSCE Academy, which is one of the high reputed academy in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. And of course about the courses. The course is for postgraduate, and it's a fully funded scholarship for those who want to seek higher education, and especially for students of law and economics. So stay with us till the end of the video, as we will guide you guys about the process of this scholarship, how to apply, the benefits, the other documentations which is needed for this scholarship to be submitted, as well the instruction on how to apply for this scholarship step by step. So let's get into the screen recorder, and we will guide you guys about how to apply for this scholarship. So first thing first, let's jump into the Free Opportunities website, and from there we will have a glimpse of the OSCE Academy scholarship, and then we'll move on to the application form. We have listed all the necessary information about this scholarship here in this blog. The eligibility criteria, the financial supports and scholarship they're providing, as well as the fields and measures, which is MA in Political Science and Security and MA in Economics, Government and Development. And of course, the preliminary dates of admission tests for each country and where they're gonna take these tests. So we have also updated a FAQ questionnaire, which is belonging to the OSCE website. If you have any concerns, doubts, or questions, you can always go and check over there and get answer to all your questions. So without wasting time, let's jump into the application form and start applying. So based on whichever measure you want to apply for, you have to click that measure. Suppose I am applying for economic governance and development. I will click this link, and it will take me to the respective application form. So before filling the application form, we have to first make an account for us, and then we can fill the form. It was a dummy application which I filled. Let me just log out, and we will go again and make a new account for us. So, making account for myself. Once account is created, they will send us an email, and sorry, I was logged in. I have to make myself an account, create an account. That's it. So let's create an account, and then give a password for it. And then my first name and last name, and register. So my account is already created. Now I have to fill out the form, my personal information, and the left bar you will see, and then professional experience, additional information, and then before submitting the form, review it and then submit the form. So I am citizen of Afghanistan. I'm asking my date of birth, which is 08, and place of birth, Kabul. Current city of residence again is Kabul. My gender, which is obviously obvious male, and I'm single, and I don't have children, and children's just keep them empty as it is, and fill up the form, the address. My address is 10 again Kabul, province is Kabul, my postal code, and then country was Afghanistan. It's asking for my phone number. Remember to add your phone number with its area code, which is plus mark sign 793, and if you have a mobile number, do not forget to add that as well. And of course, if you have Skype, try to add your Skype as well. So in the education section, it's asking for how many institutions have you attended since your high school. I have attended only one, so I will select one. And then here you can list all your major awards, scholarships, certifications. It shouldn't be more than five, and do not attach your certifications or those certificates with it. And of course, if you got a TOEFL, IELTS, or IELTS test reports, you can attach them here. And then coming to the other section, here you can write your institution name that you have attended. Mine was University. Type the field of study you have studied. Mine was software engineering. The date you have attended from. So mine was 04/22 and it was 2013. And date I finished or attended, it was again 4, I guess 2004, and sorry, and 22, 2017. And the degree I attended was, of course, it was Bachelor of Science, but if you got any other, like Masters of Master of Arts or Bachelor in Arts, you can choose them, but mine was Bachelor of Science. And have you received your certificate or diploma, or is it expecting to be delivered to you by other date? You can add that date as well. I got my diploma on 6 months after that, so it's coming like about uh, 08, sorry, 08, 10, 2017. And here you're gonna attach your diploma if you got it, and if you don't, it's not mandatory. And then just mandatory, that's your transcript. You have to have your transcript attached, else your form wouldn't be accepted.
it's gonna take a while to be attached. Then save and next. In here, it's asking about your personal experience, where you have worked. You have to type your experience or professional background, and if you got any, just type the number, select the number one. Then you have to write your employer name, its position you work for, starting and end date. Is it a paid or a volunteer position? Your supervisor name, supervisor title, is phone number, and last but not the least, your supervisor email address and key responsibilities. After doing so, you can save and go to the next level. This is the last part, which is asking for your personal statement. Of course, you have to take care that your personal statement shouldn't be more than 60 words. Sorry, 600 words. Either it would be in political or in economic field. It shouldn't be more than 600 words. Attach the personal statement, and then the reference. You have to keep in mind that the reference shouldn't be your friends, your family members, or those you're connected with them and professionally. You have to attach or you have to give reference of your boss, your supervisor, your teacher, and those who's knowing you professionally or academically. So adding my name as my boss, or he was my manager where I worked, David Newman, and he was my manager, and I have his phone number, and his email address was David. And the second referee name, he should or he or she should be again an academic or professional person. I will add my teacher name. He was my teacher. His phone number. And his email address. I guess it is. And that's it. Last question is asking about how did you find about this MA program of OSCE Academy. It is not mandatory, but it's good to fill. It's like a survey. So I got it the news from a website and social media. If you got from a specific social media or website, you can fill that. If not, you can just switch to any other, but you have to give the reference source. So I got it from Facebook account, Facebook page. And the last part is a signature part or declaration. You have to write your name and then you're done. Save and next. Here you have to review your form that each section you have filled is correct, and then you're done. You have the submit button here at the top. Just submit it and your form will be submitted. Thank you, and your application was successfully submitted.
Done. So here we go with our video on OSCE Academy scholarships. I hope this will be a useful video for you guys, and you will be learning something and on how to apply for this scholarships. If you guys have any question regarding this scholarship on how to apply still, please not forget to contact us through our email addresses, or you can just simply drop a comment on us on our social media accounts, and we would be much more happy to reply your concerns and questions. Of course, then if you guys have any suggestions, questions, or if you have any comments, please let us know in the comment sections, and we will be happy to respond to all your questions and queries. And of course, if you guys have any difficulties on applying on any kind of scholarships in any country, we would be happy to help you guys with that as well. Simply let us know in the comment section, and we will give you the best results on this, and we'll let you guys know on how to apply on any specific scholarship, and either it will be fully funded or partial. And of course, most of you guys will be having questions about scholarships types, which partial and fully funded. If you still have any question on these, we would be happy to hear that questions, and we would be much more happy to respond, give reply to these questions as well. And of course, at the end, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and you guys will be getting our new videos notifications. And of course, follow us on our social media accounts, which is down there in the comment section. Till next video, goodbye. That's it.